This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, seeing prices higher in the overnight trade. This appears to be some follow-through gains from late yesterday. Also, we did get some positive news as far as China's inflation data coming in on the soft side, suggesting that there is less need for the People's Bank of China to increase interest rates. However, we did see some pressure developing more recently. There seems to be some concern that earnings in the fourth quarter may not be as good as some analysts had predicted. Also, there is talk that earnings for this quarter, the first quarter, may actually show negative growth for the first time since 2009. There appears to be more questioning as far as the effectiveness of the Fed's quantitative easing program, as far as how much help is this actually giving the U.S. economy. Over in the foreign currencies, seeing the euro currency trading higher, even though we did get some negative news from Germany as far as trade. A lot of this looks like short covering in the euro currency. Also, we are seeing some gains in the pound. This after UK manufacturing data coming in stronger than expected. Some short covering in the yen after the yen recently making almost a 3.5-year low against the US dollar. But even though the yen and the pound are higher this morning, I think that we will see pressure in these two currencies. In fact, I think there's a very good chance that we will see both of these currencies trading lower on the day. Longer term, still feeling that the US dollar index will continue to advance and the yen and the pound will continue to come under pressure. In the credit markets, we have some supply today. The 3-year note auction will be auctioned by the Treasury today. There are a total of $66 billion in offerings this week. We feel that the U.S. economy and the global economy overall is starting to show signs of softening. So we are now just neutral on the credit futures market after being a bit bearish earlier. However, any flight to quality gains that we see from any geopolitical event or any financial situation, I think should be used as a selling opportunity. Quite often, flight to quality gains last usually 2 to 3 days. So in the meantime, stand aside, but if there is any strength from one of these events, I think that could be used as a selling opportunity. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.